Channel Masai Assignment Solution. My name is Mandeep Rahar and we are doing recursion. And in the recursion, we have one more problem is maximum surrounding. So in this, so let's do and start. What is said to us, we need to do. We need to do this question. So they give us a matrix. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we need to print the maximum. We need to print maximum. You can see at here a maximum surrounding. So this one is the our means whatever the surrounding is like that. This one is our index. This one is our number. So then we need to check all these four number and which one is greater than these 2, 3, 4, 5. Who is greater than in these four? We will be print at here. You can see 5 is greater than all this. So we will be print at here 5. So you can see at here 1 and now we can check 2 and 4. Who is maximum is 4. So we will print at here 4. Now go to at 5. Now you can check 6, 2, 4 and 8. So now you can see 8 is greater than this 4. So we will print at here 8. At here you can see 6 and 8. And so now you can see 8 is greater than 6. So we will print at here 8. So that's all in this question we need to solve. So let's go to our coding part and you will be understand better how we will be solve this question. Okay, I give you a rough idea first, then we will go to our coding part. So what we are going to do in this question, first we take, okay, we don't care about what is at here. You can see at here is 9. 9 is greater than all these, but still we are going to print 8. Means we don't need to take this integer. It is 9, 10, 11, whatever, it doesn't matter. Okay, we need to check only 6 and 8. So what we are going to do at here, this one is our integer. Okay, so first we take this one, this one, this one and this one. We take all these four integer. Okay, and we will be use max.max and okay, and who is the greater than, we will be printed here. So that's suppose we are going to apply. So now go to our code and yeah, let's see. Yeah, so first of all, this one is our input. X and Y are the row and column, and then X and Y, then I take also input. Okay, then I create a new 2D array. Okay, because we need to print into a new 2D array, and this one is the 2D new 2D array input part I and J, and yet here you can see I am going to print the whatever I find it maximum. Okay, whatever the maximum I find it, because this one is the function, you can see find max neighbor. Okay, and at here we are print it. First we put it all the value on their place, and after that we are going to print it. So this one is the find maximum neighbor. First we take array X, Y, Z, I and J. X and Y are the our row and column, and I or J are the index of the our matrix. So first of all, I take max neighbor is -1. Okay, initial it is -1. It is -1. Okay, now first I just see we need to fix some condition, because what happen if we are at here, so then we can't check this and this. So we apply this condition, I should be greater than 0. Okay, I should be greater than 0 and J should be greater than 0. At here you can see I should be less than X -1. X is the length of row, and at here you can see column. Okay, so first of all in this question you can see I is greater than 0. At here you can see I is not greater than 0. I is equal to 0. So we will be no check this condition, because at here we are checking I -1. I -1 means whatever at here we are going to check. Means if I at here, so then I go check this one. No, this one I -1 is this one 2. If I am at here 5 and I is equal to 2, so then I need to check what is at here. So it will 1, I equal to 1. So I am going to check here, but in this position you will be see there is no index to check. Okay, so we can't go at here. Again we go at here, j should be greater than 0. Why? Because we are going to check j minus 1. J minus 1 means if I am at here, so j minus 1 means we are going to check this index. But at here you can see there is no index, so that's why we can't check whenever j is equal to 0 or less than 0. So now we are going to add here, our I is less than x minus 1. Yes, our I is less than x minus 1, because this one is 3 but I is 0. Okay, so now we will go at here, our max neighbor, this one is minus 1, and a plus I plus 1. I is 0, at here 0 plus 1 means at here. So now we will be check the 4 is greater than 4 is maximum to minus 1. Yes, 4 is maximum to minus 1. So then the value of maximum neighbor will become 4. So now we will go at this condition. Y is j is should be less than y minus 1. Yes, it is less than y minus 1. So we will check I j plus 1. J plus means we will be check 2. So now we again apply this math.max. Neighbor value is 4. Max neighbor. And at here your value is 2. So still it is maximum, so it doesn't affect. So this function written as max neighbor. This the value of is 4. The value of it will written 4. So now go to at here and you can see it will put at here 4, and at here you can see I is also 0 and j is also 0, and you can see at here we will add 4, and at the end we are printed. So same thing we are going to apply at here again, and again we will check all the 4, and 4 integer, which one is greater than, we will be first put it into our array, then we will be printed our answer. So that's all in this question. Thank you so much. We will be meet again, and if you like it my video, then please like and share and subscribe my channel, and if you have no doubt then please comment out on my video. Thank you. Bye bye.